something that can change your life, your confidence, and your future. Our topic is Get Addicted to English. Yes, addicted. Not in a bad way, but in a strong, positive, life-changing way. English should not feel like pressure. English should not feel like fear. English should become a part of your daily life. In this series, we will learn how to fall in love with English, how to enjoy it, and how to make it a natural habit. Let us begin with the first and most important lesson. Lesson 1. Fall in love with English, don't force it. Most people fail in English for one reason. They force themselves. They study English like a punishment, a school subject, a heavy burden. That is why they feel tired, bored, and frustrated. But addiction never comes from force. Addiction comes from interest and emotion. To get addicted to English, we must first change how we see English. English is not a subject, it is a tool. English is not only grammar. English is not only exams. English is not only rules. English is a tool. A tool to express thoughts, share ideas, watch videos, read stories, talk to the world. When we understand this, fear disappears. We do not need perfect English. We need useful English. Stop waiting to become perfect. Many learners say, "I will speak when my English becomes perfect." This day never comes. Perfection kills progress. Children learn English without fear. They make mistakes. They repeat. They enjoy. That is why they improve faster. Mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers. If you want addiction, you must accept mistakes. Make English emotional, not technical. People remember emotions, not rules. If English is only grammar books, long rules, difficult words, the brain gets bored. But if English is stories, motivation, songs, real-life talks, the brain enjoys it. Enjoyment creates repetition. Repetition creates addiction. Connect English with your life. Do not learn random sentences. Learn English that matches your life. For example, talk about your dreams. Talk about your daily routine. Talk about your struggles. Talk about your goals. When English talks about you, you want to use it again and again. This is how addiction starts. One powerful daily habit. Very important. Every day, do just one small thing in English. Think for 2 minutes. Speak to yourself. Listen to one short audio. Read one small paragraph. Do not aim for hours. Aim for daily connection. Small daily connection beats big weekly effort. A simple truth. People get addicted to social media because it feels easy and enjoyable. If English feels heavy, you will avoid it. If English feels friendly, you will crave it. Make English your friend, not your fear. English addiction does not start with grammar. It starts with love and comfort. When you enjoy English, fear disappears. Confidence grows. Fluency comes naturally. This is only the beginning. Lesson 2. Create an English environment around you. Many learners say, "I don't live in an English-speaking country, so I cannot improve." This is not true. Today, English is everywhere. We only need to invite it into our life. Addiction grows from environment. If English is around us all the time, our brain slowly accepts it as normal. Your brain learns what it sees daily. The brain loves familiarity. What we see every day feels easy, feels normal, feels comfortable. If our life is full of local language only, local content only, then English feels strange. So we must change what surrounds us. Change your phone, change your life. This is one of the easiest and strongest steps. Change. Phone language to English. App language to English. System notifications to English. At first, it feels uncomfortable. After a few days, it feels normal. Without studying, you start learning new words. This is natural learning. Watch what you already love, but in English. Do not force boring content. If you like motivation, stories, cooking, travel, business, watch the same topics in English. When interest is high, learning becomes automatic. Do not focus on understanding every word. Focus on enjoying the content. Listen more than you speak. At first. Addiction starts with listening. Children listen thousands of hours before speaking. Listening builds confidence, improves pronunciation, trains the brain. Even if you understand only 50%, it is okay. Understanding grows with time. Read small, read daily. Do not read difficult books. Read short stories, simple articles, easy English. 5 minutes daily is enough. Daily exposure is more powerful than long study. Talk to yourself in English. This is very important. Speak English while walking, while cooking, while thinking. No fear, no judgment. This builds comfort and flow. Comfort creates addiction. Avoid one big mistake. Do not mix too many methods. Choose one listening source, one reading source. Too many options create confusion. Simple system creates progress. A powerful truth. You do not need more time. You need better environment. Environment controls habits. Habits control success. When English becomes part of your environment, your brain stops resisting it. English becomes familiar. Familiar becomes comfortable. Comfort becomes addiction. Lesson 3. Practice English in a fun and stress-free way. Most learners stop learning English not because English is hard, but because practice feels boring and stressful. Addiction never comes from pressure. Addiction comes from enjoyment. If we want to get addicted to English, we must change how we practice. Stop studying English like an exam. Many people practice English like memorizing rules, reading grammar books, worrying about marks. This kills interest. English is a language, not a test. We do not need perfect sentences. We need natural usage. Make practice short and enjoyable. Long study sessions create tiredness. Short practice creates consistency. Instead of 2 hours once a week, do 10 to 15 minutes every day. Daily contact builds habit. Habit builds addiction. Use shadowing to improve naturally. Shadowing is a powerful method. How to do it? Listen to a short English audio. Repeat immediately. Copy the speaker's speed and tone. Do not stop for mistakes. Just follow the sound. This improves fluency, pronunciation, confidence. Shadowing feels like a game, not study. Turn English into entertainment. People spend hours on entertainment. Why not use English there? Watch short English videos. Listen to English podcasts. Hear English stories. When English entertains you, you want more of it. This is addiction. Speak without fear of mistakes. Fear blocks fluency. Mistakes are signs of growth. Every fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes, spoke wrong sentences, continued anyway. Fluency comes from brave practice, not silence. Reward yourself for practice. The brain loves rewards. After practice, appreciate yourself. Smile. Feel proud. Positive feeling tells the brain, this is good. Do it again. This builds addiction. One golden rule. If English feels heavy, you are doing it wrong. If English feels light, you are on the right path. Learning should feel friendly, not frightening. When practice feels fun, you practice more. You improve faster. You stay consistent. Fun creates repetition. Repetition creates addiction. Lesson 4. Start thinking in English, not translating. One big reason people feel slow in English is translation. They think at their native language first, then translate into English. This makes English slow. confusing, stressful. To get addicted to English, we must make English direct and natural. Translation is the biggest enemy of fluency. When we translate, we stop speaking. We search for words. We lose confidence. Fluent speakers do not translate. They respond naturally. Thinking in English is a skill, and skills grow with practice. Start with simple English thoughts. Do not try long sentences. Start small. Think, I am hungry. Today is a good day. I need water. Simple thoughts build comfort. Comfort builds confidence. Use daily life English in your mind. Whatever you do, think in English. While walking, I am walking fast. While working, I need to focus. While resting, I feel relaxed. Your life becomes your English teacher. Do not panic when words are missing. If you do not know a word, use simple words. Explain with easy English. For example, instead of a difficult word, say, the thing we use for communication is more important than vocabulary. Visualize, don't translate. Look at objects and name them in English. Chair, table, door. Light. Your brain connects English directly to meaning, not to translation. This is how children learn. Practice English thinking time. Every day, take 2 to 3 minutes. Close your eyes. Think only in English. Talk to yourself silently. At first it feels strange. Soon it feels normal. Be patient with your brain. Thinking in English is like building a new road. At first, slow, rough. Later, smooth, fast. Do not rush. Do not quit. A powerful reminder. You do not need perfect English thoughts. You need honest English thoughts. Thinking slowly is better than not thinking at all. When English becomes your thinking language, speaking becomes easy. No translation, no fear, only flow. Lesson 5. Stay consistent and never lose motivation. Many people start learning English with energy. After some days, motivation disappears. This is normal. But addiction does not depend on motivation. It depends on consistency. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. Motivation is like weather. Some days it is strong. Some days it is weak. If we wait for motivation, we will stop many times. But habits work even when motivation is low. Addiction is a habit. Make English a fixed daily routine. Choose a fixed time. For example, morning listening, evening speaking, night reading. Even 10 minutes is enough. Fixed time creates discipline. Discipline creates addiction. Remove pressure from results. Many learners ask, when will I become fluent? This question creates stress. Instead, ask, did I practice today? Focus on process, not perfection. Results come naturally. Track small progress. Progress is not always visible. Track small things. New words understood. Better pronunciation. Less fear while speaking. Small wins create confidence. Confidence keeps you going. Never break the chain. Practice daily. Even if you are tired, you are busy, you feel lazy, do something small. Listening for 2 minutes is enough. Do not break the chain. Change method. When bored, not goal. Boredom is normal. When bored, change content, change topic, change format, but never stop learning. The goal stays the same. Learn with people, not alone. If possible, speak with friends, join comments, talk online. Learning together increases energy. Energy builds addiction. A strong truth. People who succeed are not always motivated. They are consistent. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats motivation. If English is part of your daily life, it will never leave you. Consistency makes English familiar. Familiar becomes comfortable. Comfort becomes addiction. Lesson 6. Use English confidently in real life without fear. Many learners know English, but they do not use English. Why? Because of fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of sounding wrong. To get truly addicted to English, we must remove fear from speaking. Fear is normal. Silence is dangerous. Fear is natural. Every fluent speaker felt fear once. But silence creates. No progress, no confidence, no fluency. Speaking, even with mistakes, creates growth. Progress lives outside comfort. Speak to communicate, not to impress. Many learners try to sound perfect.